Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Tuesday, May 21st, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Saudi Arabia's national oil company, Aramco, has signed an agreement with neutral atom quantum computing specialist Pasqal to install, maintain and operate a 200-qubit quantum computer, the first quantum computer in the kingdom. The quantum computer is scheduled for deployment in the second half of 2025. Pasqal opened an office in the kingdom in 2023. Meanwhile, Qatar plans to test air taxi and electric delivery aircraft during early 2025, according to a Ministry of Transport statement on Sunday. The MOT has applied to various government entities for the approvals and collaboration required to carry out the advanced air mobility tests next year. FlyNow Aviation, Next North and 𝘱𝘰 have all been talking to the government about air mobility plans. And air taxi trials could be launched in Saudi Arabia by the end of this year with Al Khobar-based firm Front End. The CEO of the company revealed plans at this week's Future Aviation Forum in Riyadh. Front End already has a collaboration with electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developer 𝘱𝘰𝘮𝘦. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.